Then we have the Strautmann Sherpa with a mixing capacity of 12 to 14 meters cubed, making picking up, mixing, and feeding with one machine possible. It is designed with the IMS mixing auger, variability and strength for any purpose. A robust and low-maintenance angular gear ensures a long service life even under challenging conditions. Aside from its low power requirement, it also has an energy-saving short mixing time, an optimum fodder structure, and homogeneous mixing. Truly a fast, efficient, and high-performing machine.